What's good, YouTube? Good morning, good evening, good night, or how we all like it. This Illuminati intro. What's good with y'all, young boys? I'm here today with some light. A little Illuminati intro, just in case we got some 2K heads in here, you know. Some people who play 2K, they know it's Illuminati, or they watch them. I muted my mic by mistake, like a donkey. So let's light this shit up and then review our trade today. Ooh, that shit tastes good. Alright, so check it out. With heavy hearts, I want y'all to know I got clapped today. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Data series. I don't like to show this, but I have to show it. This is what I got clapped on. This one leg right here. No matter how you put it, to be honest with you, I would have got clapped. But I'm dying here. Here's what I understand. My fear of getting clapped here, what it what it did was it saved me but hurt me at the same time. So, let me take something to drink. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna break this shit down. I'm gonna show y'all why I took the trade. Now, to be honest with you, I came here. Was it 16 or 32? 16. Okay. I had this imbalance drawn out that was holding well all week. I know where I got clapped at. We can get that shit going. Well, we'll leave it there. So when I drop down to the lower time frames. Right? So when realistically, when I seen this bounce and we came back down to it, I said, hey, we should reject here and bounce up, which and we did. Did I catch it? No. Cool. Now, at the time, I drew this up, and I should have stuck by this rule. I said if we don't pass here, we need to break above here to confirm buys. And this is when we were here doing these. So when I was watching it, it was doing all of this. It broke, it retested, and it fell down. You feel me? Realistically speaking, because of my bias, I didn't want to sell it. Now, I still would classify this as a great trade because I leaned in towards my bias. I said, okay, we tapped here, we came back down. We pushed up, pushed down. Here's where I fucked up at. Because I took a buy here, right? Which was, for me, when we wicked up, kind of break a structure. I'm going to walk y'all through how I had it. I did this. We came to the bottom. We started pushing up. I went up from here 26 ticks if I remember correctly. Cool. Aggressive push down. Stop loss was 50 ticks. So, right where this red line was. Why did I say I was supposed to get in here off of this rejection? Me getting in here would have gave me 54 ticks. But I didn't get in there no matter what. I was trying to aim for this imbalance up here. Right? Cool. So I got in, we went up 26 ticks, it came down. Came down like 30, 40 ticks. Pulled back up. I salvaged my trade somewhere around here. Now, I was supposed to wait and not take this. I don't know what possessed me to take this ugly W, and I'll never take them. I normally wait for price to retest those and make sure it's real, because then it makes a bigger W when it does that. But no, the fuckery in me decided, let's go take a buy here at the break. And it pushed up a little bit and then surely enough dropped. Of course I got stopped. I mean, I would have gotten stopped out on that one had I not closed it. Now, fast forward, I took a third trade. Let's see, I took a trade, a buy here, and then I took another buy where? Somewhere here when it started to push up again, because I think this wick made me get out, and then I took another buy here. Needless to say, stopped out, or I closed it early. So 30 ticks, 30 ticks, 20 ticks, 800 and some change. Now, realistically, it only went as high as here, and I would have been waiting all day for that. My buys would have only been 50 tick buys. But here's my real problem. I should have just been watching this chart instead of the 410 or the 412 chart. I should have been watching the 8 chart. Because then I would have seen that, one, there's no imbalance that needed to be retested. It was just a high. That was one. Two, there was really no buy symbol, only sell signs, no big W formed. Break of that neckline was 57 ticks down, and if you went down to a lower chart, could have got 73 out of it. 80 if you really held that big, yeah. So if you trade patterns realistically, this right here was your only trade, and it happened at 11, between 10 and 11. So let's highlight this area real quick. This was my trade right here that I was really supposed to wait for and take, but I was at work and couldn't take it. The M, the retest, either here or here. Safe route was here. You would have got 83 out of that. 100. You would have got a good amount. So basically, although I don't want to sell, the sell was the move today, and I had to wait. I could have caught a buy. I mean, the only buy symbol was 950, a W here that you could have taken. You would have gotten 100 ticks on the dot, but you would have suffered a scary retest, a retest that borderline came back to entry once you were up 50 ticks. So me having a 50 tick stop, I'd have got stopped out at 50. And then it would have bounced off of these lows and shot back up here to give you your 100. That's it. That's the only thing you would have caught today. If all you were looking for was buys, which was me, and I was already at work at 950, or yeah, at 950. So dead. That shit was dead. Should I have taken my trade that I took today? No. Thank God I didn't double up, because I'd have been hurting. Battle plan, battle strategy for tonight, London session / tomorrow. What are we going to do? Operation Get My Money Back. So, we're going to slide here on the 10 chart. We're going to erase this because that means nothing. All right. Boom. Price comes to 29.05, 29.06. We're looking to sell. This is my area of interest. Now, here's my problem. Seeing to it as we're on a buy trend. We was on a buy trend. Let's get rid of these shits now. We're on a higher time frame buy trend. This is a head and shoulders. So 29.03, 29.05 retest. I would love that. retest of this Head and Shoulders I would love. I was just about to say what's our battle plan, but it looks like that's gonna be our battle plan for going into London session. We started to sell off. So with this W forming, I am hoping that London can buy this up to here, or Asian can buy this up to there, and then I can look for some sells within the red line area or here. That's what I'm looking for. Now, I have two TPs. TP1. Oh, I got my red line. So areas I'm looking to sell gold at. Now, TP1 would possibly be, see, everything is retested. So I would just aim for ticks. That's 195. TP1 is here, and we'll let it float. The goal is to sell it up until we get back to support. That's the goal. So let's be smart with this. These are the highs of the range. And these are the lows of the range, highs of the range. The low of the range. Draw better on the 16. Now we've broken out of the range. Feel me? We got that. I want to see price come here. $29.03.2. I want to then see price respect these highs or within these or these, to then give me sell symbols. So then start to perform lower time frame sell signs, M's. And then we can see if we can sell it down to 28.64. It's a 380 tick drop. If that can happen, I'll be a Q in for it. But anyway, this video is getting long. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. This has been your boy Slime. Thank you for watching. I took a loss today, but we trying to recuperate. This 380 tick drop we anticipating. We want to see if gold can get down to here. We're gonna try and get 100 ticks on the way, so we're gonna leave 80 ticks on the table. Feel me? So our goal tomorrow is not 380 ticks. Our goal tomorrow is 100 ticks. So we'll be up $200. Let's see if we can get it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.